Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix when you experience a slow performance after an update on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So without further ado, let's get started. And let us go first to our File Explorer. So I have here my File Explorer in the taskbar, so let me just click on that. And let's go to this PC. So here you have seen I have here two drives, the local disk C and the D drive. So I will pick on the C drive here, which has the documents and everything in my device. So please click on your main drive. And once you do that, you will be able to see another window coming up or another window showing. So please click on your Windows option or Windows folder. And then once you do that, just make a double click on it. And once you do that, another pile of folders will be coming up. So let's look for software distribution, this one, and please click on that. And you will be able to see here the updates that you have downloaded and installed in your device that are unnecessary or that you don't need anymore. So just please press in your keyboard Control A to select everything, and then click on Shift Delete to delete them. And then if you're sure to permanently delete these items, then just click on Yes button here. And don't worry if there are files or documents that should be skipped. Those are fine. So once you're done, you can now close that window, and here we need to open the Run window. We can do that by simply pressing in our keyboard the Windows R key, or just by making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to Run options. So once this Run window is now on our screen, all we need to do here is to type clean mgr. And once you're done typing, please click on enter or OK. And as you can see here, by default, our local disk C or main drive is selected. So just please click on OK. And then you will see another window coming up. So here, all you need to do is just to select for the files that you want to be deleted. So this is the disk cleanup for local C. All you need to do is just to select for the applications, the files, and as well as the recycle bin, the temporary file. So I'll just close this. I'm just going to select everything here. So, and once you have now chosen or selected for the files that you want to be deleted, you can now click on this OK button here, and it will now start to delete permanently all the files that you have just selected. And after doing that, we will now go to our task manager. So let's just wait for this to be done. Okay, so posing or assuming that this is now done, let's go now to our task manager. So we can do that by simply making a right click here again on our Windows icon, and then go to task manager options. And once you click on that, you will be able to see the task manager window coming up. So let's just wait for it to come up. Okay, so again, Windows icon, go to Task Manager options, and here the Task Manager window is now up on our screen. All we need to do is just to go to the Startup tab. And once you do that, you will be able to see all the applications that you enabled. So let's click on this status here. So by doing that, you will now be able to see all the disabled applications during startup, and as well as the enabled applications. So please determine among the enabled applications which of them are unnecessary or unwanted anymore during the startup process. Okay, so just disable the enabled application. For example, you don't need Microsoft Teams during startup, so just please select the certain application, and then once selected, please make a right click on it and then just click on this disable button here, and it will now be disabled. Okay, and just do the same with the other applications or other things that you don't need anymore during startup. And once you're done with this one, just close this window. And after doing that, we can now repair Windows. So we can do that by simply making a search here in the Windows search tab CMD, and then click on the command prompt under best match, so please click on that. So I'm sorry, let's go back to command prompt CMD, and once you see the command prompt under best match, please make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator, and then you will be asked to allow this app to make changes to your device, so just click on yes to proceed. And in here, another black window will be coming up on our screen. All we need to do is just type here SFC /scan now. It's SFC /scan now, and then hit enter or OK. And the moment you do that, the system scan will now begin, and this process will take some time. So the verification process is now starting. Please wait for this verification to be 100% completed, and let me just minimize this one. Okay, and after this process is now completed, the verification process, all you need to do is just make a quick restart with your device and then see the changes of the performance of your device. Okay, so the next thing, if you are unable to, or if you're still facing issues, all we need to do is to go to our settings, and then go to settings, and then go to troubleshoot. So let's type here troubleshoot. So as you can see here, we have troubleshoot settings, so please click on that, and then you will be able to see other troubleshooters, so please click on that as well. And in here, under the most frequent section, you will see here the Windows Update option, so please click on Run button here to diagnose the problem. And once you do that, you will now be able to know the problem, and you will be provided with the things and the process that needs to be done for your device. So after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.